Hi my dear children, today we are going to learn about good habits. Let's learn together and follow it on every day. Dear children, the first step to win yourself is wake up early. So, wake up early every morning. Children, don't rush when you brush. Brush your teeth twice a day to keep dentists away. Dear children, we stay clean by taking a bath every day. So, take a bath daily. My dear kids, long nails are pandemic. So always trim your nails regularly. Keep your hands clean. Dressing well is a form of good manners. So always wear clean clothes. Children, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It always comes from what you do consistently. So always do your homework regularly. Dear children, gratitude can turn meals into a feast. So always pray before every meal. Children, junk food gives fat and junks on your body. So always avoid junk food, eat healthy, be fit. My dear children, water is precious in our life. So always do not waste water, save water. Understanding makes a standard relationship. So children, always be friendly, do not fight. Children, we rise by lifting up others. So always be kind and helpful. Children, never spit in the public places because the next day you also walk in the same way. Dear children, the art is not making money but in keeping it. So always be responsible with money. Save money. Playing is the highest form of research. So, always play in outdoor. Let's learn and grow together. Children, always be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. So please don't litter in the public places. Help keep your community clean. Great satisfaction comes with sharing with others. So always share with your friends. Sharing is caring. Dear children, always clean up your mess. Don't leave it for someone else to do. Dear children, germs are everywhere. So always wash your hands regularly. Before you eat, always hand wash. There is no friend as loyal as book. So always read books. Read books every day. Dear children, always sleep on time because it gives you a better and deep sleep. Children, to give happiness to others, always use these 3 magical words. Please, thanks, sorry. Thank you children. Let's see in the next video.